Hello and welcome back to MarineMax Cumming, Georgia. My name is Quinn Seagraves and today we're on the first premiere to come through our Lake Lanier dealership. It's going to be a new 2024 Sunsation 230. It's going to be powered by a Mercury 150 and have the upgraded PTX center log. Because of that, you're going to have a lot of options I'll get to in a second. One of the big upgrades that they did for this model year is in the backrest of your seats. You're going to have deeper cup holders, more cup holders where you need them, and a stereo system that's going to be pointed towards your ears versus your feet. That's going to give you an improved, enhanced audio on this boat and allow you to hear it a lot clearer. Second area that's been updated is the helm. Up underneath the helm, you're going to have a nice access point with a little caddy for your paper towels, trash can, and access underneath. Because of that PTX center log, you are going to have a 230% bigger ski locker, an 80% bigger access point, just for a lot more storage, a lot more versatile, and a lot easier to get it into. Here at the helm, you will have the dual captain's layout, as well as the raised helm. This is going to give you a nice Clarion stereo system, nice dash, phone holder, RGB, Mercury shift. This model and all models moving forward will have the standard power tower that is accessed via a switch on the dash. Back here again, you'll have the nice deep cup holders. They're giving you 4 on each side, so plenty of cup holders for each of your seats and speakers in your backrests. Wonderful tow bar back here, 150 horsepower Mercury that I mentioned before. And it's cheesy, but my favorite option on this is the battery switch right here on the aft of the boat. No more trying to tell people, excuse me, I need you to move so I can get access to my battery. It's going to be nice and easy on the back. Just walk through the boat, turn it on, and you're ready for a day on the lake. If you have any questions about this, I'd love to help you. My name is Quinn, and our link is in the description below.